Welcome to Commercial Real Estate Investing, Unlocking Opportunities. In this module, we delve into the dynamic world of commercial real estate, exploring the diverse opportunities it presents for investors. Overview of commercial real estate investing. Let's begin by understanding commercial real estate and its significance. Commercial real estate encompasses properties used for business purposes. Its significance lies in its dual potential for generating income and experiencing capital appreciation. Key differences between residential and commercial investments. While residential focuses on housing, commercial includes a spectrum from offices to retail spaces. Additionally, commercial investments often involve longer leases and higher transaction values, setting them apart in the investment landscape. Now let's explore the diverse types of commercial properties. Office buildings, serving as spaces for businesses and professionals. Retail spaces, establishments designed for selling goods or services. Industrial properties, facilities tailored for manufacturing, production, or storage. And hospitality, including hotels and motels, providing accommodation services. Investment strategies. Moving on to navigating the landscape of commercial real estate. Lease agreements and negotiation involve understanding and negotiating lease terms to maximize returns. Triple net lease, NNN investments, where tenants cover property expenses like taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Lastly, commercial property development involves investing in the development of commercial spaces, expanding opportunities for growth. Risks and rewards. As we explore balancing risks and rewards in commercial real estate, it's crucial to be aware of economic factors affecting commercial real estate. These include sensitivity to economic cycles and market trends. While commercial real estate offers the potential for higher returns, it also comes with higher risks, requiring a strategic approach to investment. As we conclude, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for exploring commercial real estate investing with us. If you found this information valuable, consider expressing your appreciation by hitting the like button, sharing it for wider reach, and subscribing for more enriching content. Thank you, and until next time.